In this video, you'll be shown how you can multiply mixed numbers. Let's take a look at the question. Tavon is training to run a long-distance race. He runs 2 1/3 miles every day for a week, 7 days. How many miles does he run in 1 week? So if he's running 2 1/3 miles each day, and there's 7 days, we'll go ahead and multiply 2 1/3 times 7. We have 7 groups of 2 1/3 miles. Now we need to convert or change the 2 1/3 into an improper fraction. Right now it's a mixed number. I'll go ahead and make a note of that. We aren't going to multiply this as a mixed number. We're going to make it an improper fraction. We'll have the numerator be larger than the denominator. It won't change its value, it just changes the way it's written. So if we have 2 wholes and 1/3, I'll go ahead and show you here. There are your 2 wholes. Let me scoot the camera down just a tiny bit. There we go. Here are your 2 wholes. And then we'll split this last whole into 3 equal pieces, and there's your 1/3. So this represents 2 1/3. Okay? You can also think of this as being 7/3. 2 wholes is going to give you 6/3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you have that other third, so that makes 7/3. 7/3 is equal to 2 1/3. Some of us like to think of converting the mixed number into an improper fraction by multiplying the whole number by the denominator and adding it to the numerator. So if we have 2 1/3, you can go ahead and multiply the 2 times 3, which is 6, and then add it to the 1, which is 7. So 7 is your numerator and your denominator stays the same, 7/3. Essentially, we're doing the same thing with our pictures. It's just more of a conceptual understanding of it than this abstract understanding. So multiply the denominator times the whole number, that's 6. Add to the numerator gives you 7. We have 7/3. So we'll go ahead and take 2 1/3 and make it 7/3, write it as 7/3, and multiply that by 7. Let me change colors here. So you can have 7/3 times 7. And we know to make the whole number a fraction, you put it over 1. So that is also equal to 7/3 times 7 over 1. We can multiply the numerators straight across. 7 times 7 is 49. That's a basic fact. 3 times 1 is 3. 49/3 is an improper fraction. Let's go ahead and make that a mixed number by dividing. I'll go ahead and divide right here. We can divide 49 by 3. 3 goes into 4 one time. 3 times 1 is 3. We're left with 1. We'll bring down our 9. 3 goes into 19 6 times, and 6 times 3 is 18. We're left with a remainder of 1. No more digits to bring down. Our remainder becomes our numerator, and our denominator stays the same as 3. So 49/3 is equal to 16 1/3. Let's go ahead and write that as our full answer. So if Tavon is running 2 1/3 miles a day for 7 days, he's running a total of 16 1/3 miles in those 7 days.